So hello guys, welcome to my vlogs. So guys, कस्तो छ हजुरलाई? मेरो चाहिँ एकदम ठीक छ. And today we are going to Sydney Opera House. So guys, I'm living in Campsie and we need to go in circular quay which are the Sydney Opera House. And you can see the weather is so good in Sydney and it is so sunny. And guys, I live in that place, that house. I live in there, and you can see this place so quiet. And guys, please subscribe my channel for this vlog. म यसको ब्लगको लागि म आज बिहानै उठेको छु. बिहान 11 बजे उठेको छु. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So guys, I'm at the train station, and you can see the outside the view of train station. Let's go guys inside the train station. So we need to catch the train for the circular quay. So we need to go by platform 1. So guys, this one is a Opal card. You need to tap for Opal card to read. And oh my god, I already missed one train, so I need to catch a 15-1. After the 15 minutes. So guys, I'm out at the train station and you can see the Sydney Opera House and the Howell Bridge and this. Guys, you can see Opera House. So before is the Sydney Opera House. We need to walk around 5 to 6 minutes. So this is the way. So guys, you can see the weather is so sunny, and you can see the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So guys, this is the Sydney Opera House, and you can see the right side there is one opera square. There is inside the shopping mall and restaurants, and the right side you can see the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This is the main attraction point for Sydney, and you can see.
Hang on, wait for me. Still pretty fun.
Guys, I used to work here, but COVID-19, I just this bar is closed, so I can't work here. So this is the main new opera house. And you can see that these two are inside there. There is a two restaurant inside the opera house, and you can see the outside. And this side there is a one park as well, in the Royal Botanic Park. Let's see there. This place used to be so busy in the weekend, but now there's closed. You can see that all. But so we can go that side. So guys, this is the back side of Sydney Opera House, and you can see the beautiful view of Sydney. And that point is famous for the fishing point. Guys, also we can block that side. We can main and तपाईहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यो सिडनी हावर बिस्कुट मान्छे चढिरहेको छ. So people can climb that there Sydney Harbour Bridge. And you can see the backside. So guys, this is the Sydney Botanic Garden.
Our right of offer is this.
So this is all a park. You can come, relax, and chill, and also we can do picnic as well. So guys, I never see like this tree in my whole life. And what is it, this tree name? So this garden is all about all our trees, plants. This is one of the best place you can come to relax in Sydney. So guys, I'm going back. So I'm heading to train station.